Alright, so this is a test of the Panasonic HDC what is it? HDC-SD90. It's pretty lit. It's a good zoom. There's Tommy Boy right there. And then I think we can flip the screen around. Even though you can't see me. There's Sonic. Here, let me do like a... Yo guys, I'm a plush tuber now. Oh my god, that's crazy. Wow. So today we're going to be going on an adventure and doing cracking stuff. Yeah. Okay, I'll stop. So yeah, this is a little test of the new camcorder I got. And I'm going to be using this for videos. So tell me what you think.